In today's video, I'm going to walk you through some secret WhatsApp web shortcuts that most users don't know about. Now let's get started. You need to work fast 10 times faster? But I'm going to give you some shortcuts you can use to work at least 10 times faster. Let's get started. The first one we're going to look at is the first one, which is this. The first shortcut over here. Now, if you're stuck in a group chat and you want to escape fast, you can simply use this to switch between chats like a pro. As for this one, the next one you can use if this one is perfect for ignoring spam until later. Just simply press Ctrl Shift, and this helps you to jump or move to the next or read chat easily. Next we have is Control and E. Now Control plus E helps you to archive your current chat easily. And next we have mute and unmute current app. That is very simple. Want to mute a current chat, just simply press Ctrl Shift and M. Simple. So you want to mute it, do the same. Then the last part of the list is for deleting chats in 1 second. But just know something. It will not ask for confirmation. What I mean is once you press this, no "are you sure" prompt will show. So once you press Control and backspace, it deletes the current chat. It might ask you. Alright, so that's it for today. Hope you found the video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.